Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making sourdough Irish brown bread with Guinness. This easy quick bread uses up sourdough discard, and it's a quick and easy bread that you can make in one day. While this is most traditional on St. Patrick's Day, it's a great way to use up sourdough discard and you can make it all year round. Let me show you guys how to make it. So the first step is preheating the oven to 400 degrees. Next we're going to add in 57 grams of salted butter into a small pot. And this can be cold straight from the fridge, it doesn't matter. Next, we're going to add 42 grams of blackstrap molasses. So I like to weigh the molasses right into the pot. This is going to ensure we get every ounce that we need right in the pot. The molasses is where the bread is going to get a majority of its color and a lot of flavor. So now we're going to heat this butter and molasses just over the stovetop until it's completely melted. So while the butter and molasses is melting, we're going to get our sourdough discard, our buttermilk, and our Guinness ready. So I have a quarter cup of buttermilk, and if you guys don't have buttermilk, you can use regular whole milk and just add a little bit of lemon juice in there. That is totally fine. And then we have 115 grams of sourdough discard, and you're going to need 11.2 ounces of Guinness. So we're going to take our sourdough discard and mix it into the buttermilk. Then we're going to add our Guinness to the sourdough and buttermilk mixture. Now we're just going to whisk this together until the sourdough discard is completely combined. Next, we have 210 grams of whole wheat flour in a large mixing bowl. Now we're going to add in our all-purpose flour and our oats. And then last, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to give this just a little whisk to combine the dry ingredients. Next, we're going to make a well in the center of this flour mixture, and you can just do this with your hands. Then we're going to pour in the butter and molasses mixture, and then we're going to add in the Guinness mixture. Now we're just going to fold this together with a spatula until the batter comes together. This is going to look more like a cake batter, and we don't want to overmix this. Now we're just going to transfer this to a 1-pound loaf pan. And you guys might want to line your loaf pan with parchment paper depending on what kind of loaf pan you're using. I'm using my Caraway loaf pan, and this releases this bread so well, it's insane, so I'm not using parchment paper. But if you're using like a stainless steel or aluminum, you may want to add that. So now we're just going to add the batter into the loaf pan. And then we're just going to sprinkle this with a few extra oats. And so before this bakes, we're going to take a butter knife and make a slit right down the middle, just like you do with banana bread. Now we're baking this at 400 degrees for 30 minutes. Then we're going to turn the oven down to 350 and bake for an additional 15 to 20 minutes. And now we have delicious sourdough Irish brown bread. This bread is best if you let it cool overnight. You want it to be totally cool before slicing into it. This simple quick bread made with Guinness is dark and moist and fluffy, and it's a perfect way to use up sourdough discard. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more easy recipes that use up sourdough discard, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.